Is your BMW 535i key fob not working? This video covers the most common causes and DIY fixes. We'll address battery problems, resynchronization, and antenna issues, offering solutions to get you back on the road quickly. These BMWs often experience key fob malfunctions due to aging electronic systems. Don't spend hundreds at the dealership before trying these simple steps. Battery depletion is the most common issue. The fob uses a 3-volt CR2032 battery that lasts 1 to 2 years. Replace it by opening the fob with a screwdriver, noting the positive orientation, and inserting a new battery. If the fob desyncs after battery changes or BCM resets, resynchronize it. Insert the key into the ignition, turn to position 1, then press the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds while holding the fob near the antenna. Antenna problems can cause signal interference. The external antenna, often in the rear window, may corrode. Check continuity with a multimeter and clean contacts. Internal antennas require professional reprogramming. These simple troubleshooting steps can resolve most BMW 535i key fob issues without costly repairs. First, check the battery. The key fob typically uses a CR2032 battery. Open the fob with a small screwdriver, replace the battery, noting the positive plus orientation. If that doesn't work, try resyncing. Insert the key into the ignition, turn to position 1. Then press the lock-unlock buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds while holding the fob near the antenna. For antenna issues, check for corrosion or damage. Clean contacts with electrical cleaner. These simple fixes can save you time and money. If problems persist, consider aftermarket antenna modules or a dealership's key fob refresh service.